Go! Go! Go!
Good morning and welcome back to another video, guys. If you have missed yesterday's video, go check it out here and hopefully you will enjoy it. So today's plan is like we are leaving the hotel. We are checking out around 9:30 10 o'clock, and then we will go to the wine factory. So you will get a first-hand impression of how wines are made from the grapes. And this country is famous for its wine manufacturing, and they have varieties of grapes. I mean, it's more than 10 types of grapes that produce over here throughout the year, and today we will go and explore it. So without wasting any more time, let's go. So as usual, let me wear my shoes. 1, 2. Goodbye Hotel Ivory Inn. Thumbs up for you, for your service. We'll finish our breakfast very quickly. We have to leave within 10 minutes. So this is scrambled egg, lettuce leaf, cucumber, cheese paratha. This is cheese paratha and a chocolate cake, my favorite. And this is red wine. अगर आप जॉर्जिया पे आए और वाइन नहीं पिए तो क्या किया? I'm joking. This is a cherry juice. Nice. Good morning. You had anything in the morning? You had milk? What you had? What? It's a lovely baby. He's also from Dubai. We came in the same flight. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right, so we missed the bus, and I'm really sorry those who have been waiting for us. I'm not feeling well since last night. We have shifted to the bus, and now we will reach to the final destination. We'll have our lunch and then we'll explore this wine factory. So see you there on the other side.
Hello guys, we were waiting for you.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry we got late.
Oh no. So here's your group, and we'll start our wine tour in couple minutes.
Fine. Thank you. So if you need to know how to take the selfie, this is the best option. There's a mirror and they're sitting there, these two ladies, and they're taking selfie. So finally I have reached this wine factory. This is kind of farmhouse, like they have good number of trees around, and today we get the chance to taste all of them. I don't drink, but today it's okay, like I can taste the wines. So let's go.
So in Georgia, most popular drink is wine. So when we are drinking, mostly like 95% we drink wine. So with Chacha we are just warming up. Warming up. Yeah. Yo! Yo!
Cheers!
Cheers.
No, not like this. Otherwise it's hard. It's 50%. Yeah, that's
Made inside this clay pot which are buried in the ground, it's called quavery. So traditionally Georgian wines are always made in the quavery. Well, when we take the grape, we squeeze the grape, and all together the squeezed grapes with the juice we put inside the quavery. We leave it like that for 1 month. After 1 month we separate it, we take out all the squeezed grapes, leave just the juice inside. From the squeezed grapes in Georgian is called chacha, so from the squeezed grapes we are making chacha. Mostly we drink this kind of wine, white dry. The wine's name is Kakheti. Kakheti is the name of the grape, from white grape. This is the most popular white grape in Georgia. It's raised everywhere in Georgia, from which we are making this wine. Kakheti white dry.
This is the second one. I don't know, the first one was too much. Let's see how it is. Yeah, not bad.
wines and we'll taste our red dry wine and red semi-sweet wine. So is the name of the grape. This is the most popular grape in Georgia. It plays almost everywhere in biggest quantities, and we are making a lot of different varieties of the wines from Saperavi. The first one which we are going to try is red dry. Red dry Saperavi, it's also made by all Georgian tradition. So we mix these two types of grapes and we are getting red, semi-sweet, very interesting wine. And you got 14 degrees of alcohol.
After testing 6 packs of wine, this is what happens to me. I'm unable to speak properly. Look, my hair grown after 6 packs of wine. All this joking, man. Nothing had happened to me. This is what they use when they dance. So you can also try. Alright, after testing wines, we are about to taste the food. This is what? Vegetable soup. Looks nice. I don't know how was the test. Thank you so much. I'm feeling little drowsy. I'm not aware about the other people. And we have been served food. You want to speak something to my viewers? To my subscriber? Talk about the food.
The food is nice.
Nice?
I just had potato in the morning for breakfast.
Okay. I'm sick of Georgian food, to be very honest. Yesterday I went to Indian restaurant, so I had paneer butter masala and other stuff. So I'm pretty happy since yesterday evening. So again we have been served, as I shown you, stuffed potato, rice, salads and bread. And the soup looks nice. I'll be testing and give you a honest review. Okay, so as per him, the soup is very nice. Joining me with sorry.
My name is Shelly.
Shelly joining me. Madam, आपका नाम?
Deepti, hi.
Hi, this is Shailesh.
Okay, ma'am. About the food.
Right now I have tasted whatever. I have tasted cheese roll, cheese gibbon. We can call it in Arabic. It's tasty. Potato, it's fine. But yeah, it's blend. We Indian love spicy food. Let me taste the soup.
So the choices are very limited, you said. Right?
Yes.
Anyway, you have to adjust anywhere you go in.
Yeah,
Anywhere.
soup
But
is really
you are
nice.
from Philippines, right?
No, China.
China. So she's from China. And did you love the food?
Yeah, I love it.
All right, so we have done with our lunch. It was really nice. Some stuffed potatoes, chicken, breads, cheese paratha and other stuff. It was Like I'm feeling sleepy right now. But we will not stop. We go to city tour, some sweet castles, and then we go to the airport. So far so good. Keep watching.